Hello children, hope all are keeping good. Children, get your EVS book, Environmental Studies. Children, in the previous class we have learned about the foods and its important, right? We have also learned about the sources of food, healthy food and junk food. We have learned, right? So we have learned energy giving food. Do you remember what are the energy giving foods? Foods such as bread, potatoes, cereals, butter and oils are energy giving food, right? And energy giving food give us energy to play and walk, right? So what are the bodybuilding foods are? Bodybuilding foods are the foods which help us to grow and keep us strong. An example of bodybuilding foods are pulses, eggs, milk, nuts, chicken and meat. And what about protective foods? Food that keep us healthy and keep us disease free are called protective food. Example, vegetables and fruits. So vegetables like carrot, beans, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, right? And fruits means apple, mango, grapes, orange. These are the food. Milk is a complete food. I told you yesterday, right? Why it is called complete food? Because it gives us energy like energy giving food. It builds our body like bodybuilding food, and it protects us from disease like protective foods. So because of that, milk is a complete food. And because of this, we should drink milk every day. Okay? Next is water and roughage. So what they do in our body? They remove the waste material from our body. So because of that, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. What type of water? Clean water. Okay? Clean water every day. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of clean water every day. So what is fiber? Fiber is a substance we get in the fruits and green leafy vegetables, okay, such as spinach. And what they do? Fibers helps in proper bowel movement. So what is the meaning of bowel movement? Discharge the feces from our body. Okay, have learned foods you must eat often. So what are the foods we must take often? Foods which we cook at home. Okay, like your mother cooks food, no? So that food we supposed to take often. Some foods like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables, meat and fish, we should not eat raw. What we have to do? We supposed to cook them and eat. And there are some foods which we supposed to take once in a while. Why? Because they are not good for our health. Foods such as chips, burger, sweet, chocolate, pizzas are the junk food and they are very tasty. But we have to keep in our mind that they are not good for our health. So even though they are tasty, so we not supposed to take them regularly. We should eat them once in a while only. Different food habits. People from different parts of the country eat different kinds of food. In South India, it is common to eat rice, idli and dosa. In North India, people mainly eat rotis and dal. So dear students, in South India means people From South India, from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, they eat rice, idli and dosa. Okay? And people from North India, like people from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, they eat roti and dal. Some people eat only vegetables, fruits and cereals. These are foods that comes from plants. They also drink milk and eat milk products. They are called vegetarians. So children, vegetarians means people, those who eat vegetables, fruits and cereals. Okay? And they eat the foods only come from the plants except the milk. Okay? So they are called vegetarians. And people who eat eggs, fish, meat are called non-vegetarian. Means people, those who eat foods that come from the animal such as eggs, fish and meat are called non-vegetarian. So I suppose vegetarian and non-vegetarian are clear to you. So turn the next page, page 20. Young people eat a lot of food because they are active and need to grow. Old people eat less food as they are less active and do not need to grow anymore. So children, young people, they do so much work, right? So young people eat lot of food. Why? Because their body needs to grow and they are very active, right? So because of that, they eat lot of food. Whereas old people, they eat less food because they don't do so much work. Most of the time they remain at home and their body also don't need to grow anymore. So because of that, they eat less food. Little babies and very old people eat very soft food as it is easy to eat. So little babies like 1 year, 2 years and old people like 70, 80 years old people, they eat very soft food. Okay, because it is easy to eat and easy to digest. Okay. So student, here some activities are there. Okay. So here what you have to do? You have to write different states name and you have to write food eaten in the particular state. Okay. And next exercise, you have to write 4 or 5 sentences about the food habits of your family. Okay, so food habits of each member of the family, like your mother, what she likes to eat and what she does not like to eat. What your father likes to eat, what your father does not like to eat. So you have to write it. Okay, and are they vegetarian or non-vegetarian? That one also you have to mention it. Children, here and here some exercises are there. So you try to do by yourself. The answer I will send you in the group. Okay? So I hope lesson is clear to you. So do this homework. Thank you.